Dear students, in this session, we are going to see chemistry conversions mainly from ton to kg, kg to gram, and gram to milligram conversion means ton to be multiplied by 1000 in case of conversion of kg, kg to gram to be multiplied by 1000, whereas gram to be converted into milligram means multiplied by 1000, whereas inversion milligram to gram divided by 1000, gram to kg divided by 1000, kg to ton divided by 1000. Similarly, kg to gram multiplied by 1000, gram to centigram multiplied by 100, whereas centigram to milligram multiplied by 10. In reverse of milligram to centigram divided by 10 and centigram to gram divided by 100 and gram to kg divided by 1000. Next conversion, liter, centiliter and milliliter. Liter to centiliter multiplied by 100, centiliter to liter divided by 100, centiliter to milliliter multiplied by 10, whereas milliliter to centiliter divided by 10. Similarly, kilometer to millimeter. Kilometer to millimeter multiplied by 1000, meter to kilometer divided by 1000, millimeter to centimeter multiplied by 100, centimeter to millimeter divided by 100, whereas centimeter to millimeter multiplied by 10 and millimeter to centimeter divided by 10. Now, I'm going to say the periodic table. You can memorize within 20 minutes. For example, S block elements, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. By saying in a funny words, highly like nasty kids, rub cats fur. The first letter is related to the elements are present in S block element in first group. Second group, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. So in this big marriage can serve badam rasam. This is S block element. Next we'll pass on to the P block elements. In P block elements, boron family, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Birds all gather in total. And next, carbon family, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Chemistry, sir, gives standard problems. And nitrogen family, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So never people ask simple biryani. Don't say simple biryani, say simple biryani, then it will become as a SB. Then oxygen family, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Other students says teachers are problem. And fluorine, halogen family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Fish cannot breathe in air. Heat, noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. And he never argue Kiran, no, he never argue Kiran excites Ron. Next, D block elements. First series, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. So school time is very colorful morning. I have chosen five elements together. So it's supposed to be come in a straight line. So I have written in this term in a vertical order. I have written. So scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. School time is very colorful morning. And next thing is next, iron, copal, nickel, copper, and zinc. Female cooked narrative cookies by Zilla. Second transition series, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, and palladium and silver. Cadmium finally. So it is a young zebra nearby mountain tackled and rulers roughly punished against a child marriage. Next, third transition series, lanthanides, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold. So here that is Ladies of tandoori wanted rarely. Asthma irritates patient's attitude highly. Next one is actinium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium. Architect Raffia and Dubny-Teskey signed board in ivies. Next, Asium, Metrinium, Drumstadium, Rohingenium, Copernicium. So these are new discovered elements, newly discovered. So Arish met Dinesh regarding contribution for poor. Next, Nehonia is a new element. Flerovium, Moscovium, Livermorium, Tennyson, Organism. This is 118 number. So Nehonia family in Mosconia living in Trust Society organization. This is up to this is S block, D block and P block. Now we are passed on to the F block elements. Cerium, Praseodymium, Neodymium, Promethium, Samarium, Europium, Gadolinium. So this is the first half of the 4F orbitals. College principal need a proper management, smart European style, good professors. Then terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, euterbium, lutetium. So tabulate your daily homework earnestly in time to your better lawyer. That is glow, bright glow. Next, thorium, that is 5F orbitals. Thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium. So the Panchayat Union not promoting pupils' ambition commission. Then next 7 one is Berkelium, Californium, Einsteinium, Fermium, Mendelevium, Nobelium, and Lawrencium. The bank chief established formal model notice to lawyer. So I have completed a full periodic table. Before start learning this, please by heart the name of the elements. Now I'll pass on to the radicals. Positive radical and negative radical. First, I will teach you what are the negative radicals and what are the positive radicals, and then how to combine to form a formula. Let us see. Radicals with one negative valency, monovalent negative. These are monovalent negative. Fluoride F minus, chloride Cl minus, bromide Br minus, iodide I minus, hypochlorite ClO minus, hypobromite BrO minus, hypoiodide IO minus, chlorate ClO3 minus, nitrate ATE NO3 minus, nitrite ITE NO2 minus, hydroxide OH minus. Next, bicarbonate. Bicarbonate HCO3 minus, acetate CH3COO minus, whereas bicarbonate is CO3 minus, single minus, but carbonate is CO3 2 minus. You should remember that. And bisulfate HSO4 minus, but if it is only sulfate, it is SO4 2 minus. And bisulfite HSO4 HSO3 minus. So notice this ATE for a sulfate. Then ITE, it is a SO3. Cyanide Cn minus, permanganate MnO4 minus. Now let's see the positive, monovalent positive. Ammonium NH4 plus, sodium Na plus, silver Ag plus, potassium K plus, cuprous Cu plus, cupric means Cu2 plus, cuprous means S means plus 1. And lower valency is S, Ric means higher valency. Hydrogen is plus H plus. Next, bivalent negative. Oxide O2 minus, sulfate SO4 2 minus, sulfide S2 minus, sulfite SO3 2 minus. Then thiosulfate S2O3 2 minus, carbonate CO3 2 minus, and chromate CrO4 2 minus or we can say di. So dichromate Cr2O7 2 minus. Let us see bivalent positive ions. Barium Ba2 plus, cupric Cu2 plus, cadmium Cd2 plus, ferrous Fe2 plus, ferric means Fe3 plus, manganese Mn2 plus, magnesium Mg2 plus, mercuric Hg2 plus, plumbous, that is lead is called plumbus Pb2 plus, and strontium Sr2 plus, zinc Zn2 plus, calcium Ca2 plus. Next, trivalent negative. Borate BO3 3 minus, phosphate PO4 3 minus, phosphide PO3 3 minus, arsenide ASO3 3 minus, arsenate ASO4 3 minus. Let us see trivalent positive. Aluminium 3 plus, auric Au 3 plus, ferric Fe3 plus, chromic Cr3 plus. Now, tetravalent negative. FeCN 4 times, the whole power 4 minus, carbide C4 minus. Tetravalent positive, plumbic lead Pb4 plus and stannic Sn4 plus. Pb2 plus means plumbus. Stannous means Sn2 plus. Ic means 4 higher valency. So rules to write the formula for magnesium chloride, for example. Write the symbol of the magnesium and chloride side by side. This is Mg and this is Cl. Mg and Cl, the formula for magnesium and chloride. Second rule, write the valency of magnesium and chloride below the symbols on right side. So here magnesium valency is 2 and chlorine valency is 1 to be written in a right side. Second thing, inverse the valency numbers. So I have written this one near magnesium valency I have written to the chlorine. They are sharing. So formula of magnesium chloride becomes MgCl2. The number 1 no need to write. So MgCl2 is a paka formula. Then other examples, potassium chloride. Potassium K and chloride 1, both are carries a 1,1 valency. The formula is KCl. Calcium bromide. First we should write calcium and valency is 2, bromine valency is 1 and exchanging CaBr2. And ferric oxide. Iron valency is 3 and oxygen valency is 2. So far they are exchanging Fe2O3. Zinc carbonate. Zinc valency 2, carbonate valency is 2 minus. So minus or plus is a negligible one. We are supposed to write only the numbers. So zinc 2 and carbonate also 2 and both are get cancelled. So zinc carbonate ZnCO3. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium valency 3, chlorine valency 1. So they are exchanging their valency. So aluminium get 1 and chlorine will get a 3. So AlCl3. Potassium sulfide. So that is K and S. So that is potassium valency 1, sulfide is 2. So exchanging K2S. So it is called potassium sulfide. Then sodium chlorate. Chloride formula ClO3, 1, minus 1. So it is a 1 valency, sodium 1. So getting cancelled, the formula is NaClO3. Cadmium phosphate. Cadmium valency 2, phosphate valency is 3 minus. So we are writing 3. So cadmium exchanging their valency CD3 and PO4 twice. So this is cadmium phosphate. Now I am going to say about the solubility rules. Which are the minerals are soluble, which is insoluble? Let us see. Nitrate, NO3 minus, sulfate, SO4 2 minus, halide, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, bicarbonate, acetate ions, compounds of alkali metals, and ammonium ion and NO2 minus, nitrite ion, all inorganic acid like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, all are soluble in water. Which is not soluble in water is bicarbonate, and which is not soluble in water is carbonate. Insoluble is carbonate. So here carbonate, sodium carbonate, and I mean for example, I'll say this bicarbonate, that is called baking soda, bicarbonate. It is soluble in water, whereas carbonate, sodium carbonate is a washing soda. It is insoluble in water. Unless you add hot water, it will not dissolve. So carbonate is insoluble in water. Chromate Cr2O7 2 minus is insoluble in water. Phosphate PO4 3 minus is insoluble in water. Sulfite SO3 2 minus insoluble in water. Sulfide S2 minus insoluble in water. Hydroxide also insoluble in water. So in this session, I taught soluble and insoluble and how to frame the formula. And also I'll repeat the periodic table. Please learn the simple sentences and by heart it within 20 minutes. You take a challenge and then you Be thorough this all the elements in the periodic table. Then you will be proud of in your classes by saying everything in a speed. So S block elements, highly like nasty kids rub cats for a hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. And a big marriage can serve badam rasam, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. And P block elements, if you want, you just copy down this also and by heart it. Birds all gather in total. So that is boron family and birds, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, birds all gather in total. Then carbon family, chemistry, sir gives standard problems. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. And nitrogen family, never people assemble biryani. So N nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Don't say simple. Simple, if you will spell it, it will become P. So it is a SB. Antimony is SB is a symbol. So it is a SB will come if it is if you say in a symbol biryani. Then other students says teachers are problem. So oxygen family, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Then next, halogen family, that is fish cannot breathe in air. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine is a very rarest element, so we are not supposed to be considered as a halogen. Then helium, he never argue, Kiran excites wrong. That is helium, neon, argon, xenon, krypton, and radon. Let us see the D block elements. First transition series, second transition series, and third transition series. In first transition series, 10 elements in each series. So I have chosen a 5 elements together as a one sentence. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. School time is very colorful morning. Next element is iron, copper, nickel, copper, and zinc. Female, cooked, narrative, cookies by using zeal. Next, second series, yttrium, that is, Y, this is Y. So, young, zirconium, zebra, niobium, nearby, molybdenum, mountains, TC tackled. Young zebras nearby mountains tackled. Then ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium. That is rulers roughly punished against child marriage. Third transition series, lanthanides, hafnium, technetium, tungsten, and rhenium. So ladies of tandoori wanted rarely, ladies of tandoori wanted rarely. Then osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, and mercury. Asthma irritates. Asthma is one of the doctor name. So asthma irritates patient's attitude highly. Next, actinium, actinides, actinium, and rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium. From rutherfordium, these are newly discovered elements. So architect Raffia and Dubny Teskey. Dubny Teskey is one of the best photographer in Ukraine. So I have chosen this name. Architect Raffia and Dubny Teskey is the name of the photographer. Sign board in highways. Then Harish, Asium, Metrium, Drumstadium, Rohingenium, and Copernicium. This element was discovered by Copernicus scientist. So what they said, a Copernicium. So Arish met Dinesh regarding contribution for poor. Next, new discovered elements: NH Nihonia, Flerovium Nihonium, Flerovium Moscovium, Livermorium, Tennyson organism. So Nihonia family in Mosconia living in Trust Society organization up to this D block elements. Now we'll pass on to the F block elements. CE, cerium, praseodymium, ND, neodymium, MPM, promethium, SM, samarium, EU, europium, GD, gadolinium. So still this, it is one of first 7 elements in periodic table, gadolinium. So that is college principal need proper management, smart European style, good purposes. Next, 8th element in the 4F elements in this terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, euterbium, lutetium. Tabulate your daily homework earnestly in time to your better luya. Luya means glow, brightly you will go. Glow. Then TH thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium. These are the first 7 elements in the 5F orbitals elements. Then the Panchayat union not promoting pupils or proper, anything you can use, not promoting pupils ambition, commission or administration, anything you can use it. Then Berkelium, Californium, Einsteinium, Fermium, Mendelevium, Nobelium and Lawrencium. Berkelium Bank, Californium Chief, established formal model notice to the lawyer. So I have completed almost all the elements in the periodic table. You better learn it and comment. If you have anything, next session I will teach you the metallurgy for a state board, and then I will teach the solid state for the CBSE students. State board students I will teach, I will send a metallurgy. Thank you students. God bless.